Welcome to how to build an Excel model for institutional real estate purposes with a little bit of help from Dashflow. Now to my side here you can see the real device and the gestures that we'll be using throughout. So let's get started. I'm going to go straight to my email. I've been sent a new deal I want to price now. If I explore that attachment, I can quickly see it has some columns and rows as I expect for a rent roll, and I'm going to share that immediately with Dashflow. And when I'm ready, I tap New Deal. And before I start pricing this in a what-if scenario, I just want to make sure I have the right submarket for my default assumptions, for my yields, my rents per square foot or per square meter, etc. And I tap Cash Flow, grab that file that's waiting for me, and Dashflow will scoop up the unit by unit information, present it to me for a preview, and when I'm ready, I tap the Cash Flow button. And here I am thrust into a live dynamic dashboard that allows me to change pricing, holding periods, gearing. For example, if I want to change the exit price here, I can swipe up the sell price to hit a tighter yield, say around 4% or even 3.5%. And when I'm ready with a base case scenario that suits me, I go and build a model by tapping the icon in the bottom right, selecting Export, and asking Dashflow to create a dash model for me, which is the first automated independent Excel model to be created for you in seconds that you can stress test independently as usual in Microsoft Excel. And thanks to the wonderful interoperability and cooperation between Microsoft and Apple environments, for the first time I can do institutional grade modeling while I'm walking with my mobile first device. As you'd expect, most of the work is in the monthly cash flow sheet, and if you have any queries about this or indeed the app, please consider joining us at our online participative demo. It's a bit of a mouthful, and we look forward to meeting you there. Please also feel free to check out any other videos if you're interested to learn more about the cash flow screen with those easy swipe gestures, or indeed about the dash model that is presented in the Excel environment that you know well. Thank you for watching.